everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an exciting video for you. I'm going to be unboxing this phone. It is tradition that when I get a new phone I do an unboxing video on my YouTube channel, so I am going to be doing that today. I've gone for a different one this time. I am an Apple girl normally, so I've had an iPhone for probably the last 10 years I want to say. This lilac one, I love it so much. I am going to keep it still, there's nothing wrong with it. The memory is almost full, but I will be keeping her anyway because I just love it and there's no point in throwing it away or selling it, because if I want a smaller phone I've got one, because this one is huge. There's a reason why I went for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and that is because it has the most amazing camera on it apparently. So if you don't know, I am actually going to the Taylor Swift Eras tour this year and I don't want to miss anything. I don't think my iPhone would have coped with the filming of it and I just really don't want to lose that memory, so I want to make sure that I've got the best thing possible to film that experience with, and the Eras tour is ultimately what led me to buy this Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it is in a lavender colour, so I'm really excited. I'm going to unbox the phone in this video. I have got a couple of accessories as well, but I am waiting for a couple of things to arrive, so I probably will do more videos with this phone just when I've personalised it a bit more. I did get this directly from the Samsung website and I'm so glad I did, because pretty much a couple of days after they all sold out. I was waiting for the S24 Ultra to come out to see if the camera was better, but a lot of reviews actually said that this one was more capable, and to be honest, because I wanted it for the Eras tour, it literally does what it needs. I don't need to get the latest one. This apparently can have such a great zoom on the camera, video and photos, so I didn't need to get the latest one, and the S23 Ultra did seem to do everything I wanted it to, so I did stick with this one. Plus the lilac is adorable. This is what the box looks like. It is very streamlined, really satisfying to open. I've been waiting to do this unboxing and I love the packaging. I'm so excited. I've been watching everybody's unboxings, just waiting to do mine, so I'm gonna unbox it on camera. I've been waiting so long to do this, it's been sat on my chair. Ooh, it's hidden still. And this phone's huge. So I have quite small hands and I was a bit worried about this, but the camera capabilities to me are going to outweigh the size of it. And obviously I do have my iPhone just in case it's too big, but I'm very excited to see what's in the box and use this and set this up because it's been sat on my chair for so long. This is what it looks like when you take the lid off. I still can't see much. And then in the lid of the box, I do believe there is a cable. So we're going to go in that now. Inside, we've got a couple of leaflets. It is a quick start guide, that one. This is the charging cable. You don't get a plug with it, just the actual cable. And inside, you do get the SIM card ejector tool, which is that one there. I'm going to take the phone out now. Ooh, I can see the purple. I'm a big fan of pink and lilac, and this was just so eye-catching to me. I love the lilac. It's very Eras Tour-esque as well, the colour theme. And like I was saying, I had a Samsung Note for years and I loved it so much. I had a white one and I feel like I will really enjoy this one. It's very personalisable as well, so I'm going to take the back off. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a very Eras Tour. It's very sort of Taylor Swift colours. I love that. And that's what it looks like up close. I really like that they've got the lilac sort of chrome detailing around the outside of the cameras. I really like that. And then the outside, I have picked a sort of clear phone case for this one just because I want to be able to see the lilac. It's so pretty. It's not as big as I thought it would feel in my hand, which is very good because I do have quite small hands. I do remember the Galaxy Note last time I struggled to hold. Comparing the two, this is the iPhone 12 in my hand and you can see the size difference, and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You can see the difference there, but it's not actually as big as I thought it would be, so I'm very pleased about that. Size wise, you'll see the Samsung looks like it's a little bit thinner, but I might be wrong, but they're both easy to hold, to be honest. Obviously that was a lot easier to hold, but I feel like the benefits of having this one now will be outweighing the size of this, so we'll see. I am obsessed with the colour. I think it's really my aesthetics. I'm going to take the screen protector off now. That is so shiny. I have got a screen protector for this. It's just a very good looking phone. I haven't even switched it on yet and I'm very excited. I've watched loads of videos about personalisation and I remembered with my Note you could change the colours on the screen, you could change the themes, the fonts, and I just had so much fun with it. So I'm actually very excited to go back to a phone that you can personalise. I'm going to have to familiarise myself with the Samsung buttons. I don't know if I've just pushed the off button. I have. I've turned it on. Android. It's going to take a while to get used to that. That screen. See, I don't know what kind of setups you need with Samsung Galaxy. I don't know if it's got battery in it or if it just switches on and you've got to set accounts up. I don't really know how that works yet. So it's just going to take you through a welcome screen. Looks like it's got 51% battery already, which is good. I am going to try and click start when it goes to English. I don't know if you've got to wait for the right language. I don't think so. Should we just click it? Let's see. I've just clicked England, United Kingdom. So it says on the screen that you can use another phone to set up the device. I am actually going to start fresh with this one because I am keeping my iPhone. I am just going to use this as a fresh phone. I've just connected it to my home Wi-Fi. It actually feels so nice to hold. While the phone's setting up, I'll show you the little S Pen. So one of the reasons I absolutely loved my Note years ago was because it had a little pen with it, and I just found that so adorable. It's a really nice sort of black colour and it feels really good quality, and then you've got the little purple lavender tip to it at the end, so obviously when it goes in the bottom of your phone it is flush and it looks really smart with the colour. But I'm really excited to have a go with that. I am actually unboxing the phone today because I'm going to the 1975 concert today and I wanted to give this a go so I can test it out before the Eras Tour concert, and I'm very excited to see how it goes. I will be doing a vlog with the 1975 concert and I will be filming on this phone, so if you want to see that, please subscribe. It will be up very soon, and I'm excited to see them because they're literally my favourite band ever, and it's the third time seeing them and I'm right at the front this time, so I'm very excited. I've set the phone up slightly, so I am going to have a bit of personalisation, sort of playing about and make it all girly and cute. The one thing I do really love about Samsung is that you can personalise it a lot more than the iPhone, so you've got the ability to personalise the font, the apps, everything like that, and I do really love that. So I will be doing a video showing how I personalised the S23 Ultra in Lavender, so I'm really excited, and I have got a little phone case which I'm going to pop on it now. I'm going to wait till my boyfriend gets here to pop the screen protector on, but I'm going to pop the little phone case on now. Also, for reference, I'm going to show you what it's like to fit the phones in my bag. So this is the iPhone 12, tiny. And then obviously the Samsung Galaxy Ultra is quite big. It's almost the size of the bag. That's an exaggeration, but yeah, it does still fit in there perfectly. There's no issues with that. I'm really happy with it. And to be honest, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, so that's a good thing. I did actually pick up a couple of cases for this phone. They're very different from each other, so I'll show you them now. The first one was the Smart View wallet case. So this did come directly from Samsung when I bought the phone, and it is a smartphone case. I got this one to match the phone colour, so it's in lavender, and because the phone is so big I did sort of worry about the protection of it. That's what the phone and the case look like next to each other. The colours match perfectly. So this case is directly from Samsung. It's the Smart case, and it is a kind of book style case, which is not normally what I go for, but because I wanted to keep this phone very, very safe, I decided to opt for this one, and it looks really nice. So inside you've got some card slots, which I wouldn't use because then if you lose your phone you've lost literally everything. But it is a really nice quality case. This is really soft, it's almost got suede on the inside, and it's designed so when you pop it on the phone it creates a little screen in your phone case which is adaptable to the case, so I really like that. Putting the phone in here then, that's what it looks like. A really nice sort of sleek design, and you can already see the Smart case has activated the little screen in the corner, which is so cool. They can apparently use the screen through this as well, which is useful. But yeah, I thought this was a really nice case. Very unusual for me, but I really wanted to protect this phone. Like I said, I've got it for very sort of exciting reasons, and I just want to look after it. So yeah, and also because the iPhone's smaller, it kind of fits in your hand and your bag better. So I felt like this one might need a bit more protection, but we'll see as time goes on. This next case is very me. It's got glitter all in it, and I thought it was beautiful. So this was just from Amazon. It is a silicone one, and I think it's probably the prettiest phone case I've ever had, and I thought it would look really nice with the lilac phone behind it. So I will do more videos with sort of accessories and shorts and things, but I did want to just show this in this video anyway, just in case you are looking to get this phone or one of the Ultras in general, because you can get really cute cases for them. This is the one that I'll probably use daily, I think, because it's more of a me case. It's easier to hold, you don't have to open it to use it, but I think this is beautiful. It goes really nicely in your hand still, it's nice to grip, I did see quite a few people putting pop sockets on the back of these phones just so you can hold on to them better. But to be honest, I think this size-wise is a lot smaller than I thought it would be, so I'm not going to have an issue with that. And I'm very excited to use it. I will switch my SIM card over eventually. I'm going to personalise the phone a little bit. And like I said, I will do more videos with that. But this is literally beautiful. And obviously with Samsung being very new to me, I'm going to have to get used to the controls and everything again. But I'm very excited to do so. I can't stop looking at this. And I can't wait to personalise it. So if you want to see more videos with that, do let me know. I'm definitely going to spend some time trying to personalise it and get used to the controls again. I'm definitely going to spend some time doing the personalisation on here, and I will do a video once I've done that just so you can see how you can personalise your Samsung Ultra. Overall, I think both of these cases are really good in their own ways. They're both very beautiful and I can't wait to use them and just see how I get on with this phone. That was the unboxing of my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in lavender. I'm so excited to use this phone. I'm really excited to see what the camera is like. I will do videos with that too, so you can see my feedback and obviously see what the camera looks like. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how this performs with concert footage, as I am going to the Eras tour, which I'm so excited about. I can't stop talking about it or thinking about it. So yeah, once in a lifetime opportunity and I didn't want to miss it. So I feel like the S23 Ultra isn't going to let me down. We will find out. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know as well, do you prefer Apple or Android? What are your thoughts? I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more content on the Galaxy, I will be doing more videos on this, so please do subscribe. And if you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at Zoey Glitter, Zoey with a Y, where I just post more makeup, beauty, girly things like that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!